Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This truck is absolutely gorgeous, smells brand new inside. Beautiful paint, got the lift, EDS, box shocks there, fusion forged, fuel wheels, those look insane. Tires are awesome, 37s. Good. That paint looks awesome, nice and clean. Power steps, mirrors look good. Love the graphics of the blue. This thing is just really clean. Got the trifold bed cover, hard bed cover. All nice and clean. There's really nothing to pick apart back here. I think the only thing I noticed was a tiny ding in the driver door, and that could be fixed easy. That looks incredible though. Nice and clean. Yeah, you have the tiniest little ding right here. That's a super easy fix. I mean, you're gonna have a couple of little rock chips down here, but nothing out of the ordinary. I mean, look at the sparkle in the paint. I don't see a rock chip up here. You have that chrome front end, you're really not going to see rock chips or anything there. I mean, this truck is gorgeous. Very nice. Okay, going on a quick drive. Now the flickering that you see here, all of that's in camera. That's not actually in person. 9,586 miles on the odometer. This thing smells brand new. Very fresh. The lift, wheels, tires, bed cover, power steps, the whole nine. Really bumpy road. Shift's perfect. With any lifted truck, you're gonna feel the road a little bit different than a stock truck. Of course, the steering wheel is gonna have some vibrations in it. You know, the truck's gonna kind of walk around a little bit more than a stock truck, but this is very minimal. Very nice lifted truck. I think it drives really good. Everything looks and smells brand new. Try to get up to speed here. Checking out the alignment. Got some stuff rolling around in the back here. That's what that noise is. Alignment feels good. Truck's driving straight. All right, checking out the driver's side here. Looks incredible. Those buttons look perfect. Got memory seating, B&O audio. That looks awesome. Got the all-weather mats. Bolster looks brand new. I don't see any flaws on it whatsoever. All of that looks perfect. Steering wheel, nice and clean. Has that matte finish to it. No scuffs or scratches. Power pedals, automatic high beams, all the goodies. Massive screen, heated cool seats, trailer brake controller, the whole nine. Like I said, all of this looks brand new. I don't see any flaws. Now the camera is making everything look blue. You know, this is an all black interior. It's just the lighting here outside. Here on that door panel, you do have a scratch right there on that plastic. Otherwise, that looks perfect. Got the all-weather liner, storage here underneath. You do have a little nick right there in the leather that can be repaired. Everything else looks good though. Heated seats, massive panoramic roof. Here on this door panel, perfect. Trim looks good, all-weather mats look awesome. Once again, no flaws on the seat that I can see. They look good. Got the double glove box. Beautiful finish on there. Look at that brushed look. It's not going to show up in camera as well as in person. That looks good. Here on this panel, she's perfect. Looks good. Seat back's nice and clean. I know I'm going quick. It's just because there's not much to pick apart in here. Looks awesome.